Good morning students, this is our GK class. In GK class, last we have done up to page number 23. Now today we are going to do page number 24. What it is written? Capital cities means you know your country's capital and cities. Okay, means India's capital is New Delhi, you know very well. Same way other country has their capital, we should know them. So here some capitals are given, we are going to learn them. New Delhi is the capital city of India, very well you know. New Delhi is the capital city of India. The Tiranga is the national flag, and the capital city and national flags of few countries are given here. This is a picture of a world map. Okay, this is a picture of a world map. So first country, what is the country name? Canada. And what is the capital? Ottawa. Canada. And what is the capital of Canada? Is Ottawa. Okay. Number 2, country name is Brazil. And what is the capital city of Brazil? Brasilia. Okay. Next, country name is France. What is the capital? Paris. Then country name is Russia. Capital city is Moscow. Okay. Then country name is China. Capital city is Beijing. Then country name is Australia. What is the capital city? Canberra. Again I am going to repeat. Number 1, Canada. Okay. Canada's capital city is Ottawa. This is Brazil. What is Brasilia? This is France, Paris. This is Russia, Moscow. This is China, Beijing. Australia, Canberra. Understand? This one we have done. You should know the flag also. This is the flag of number 1, Canada. Number 2, it is the flag of Number 2, it is the flag of Brazil. Number 3, it is the flag of France. Number 4, it is the flag of Russia. Number 5, it is the flag of China. And number 6, it is the flag of Australia. Okay. Then come to this page. Complete the crossword puzzle by naming this capital city. The flag of the country is given. See, this is the flag. Here one leaf is there already. That is the flag of Canada. And what is the capital city? Ottawa. So here will be Ottawa. Okay. Next, this is the flag of Russia. What is the capital city? Moscow. Okay. Then this is the flag of Brazil. What is the capital city? Brasilia. So you have to write Brasilia. Then here it is China. China's capital city is Beijing. Then this is Australia. Australia's capital city is Canberra. And this is France. What is the capital city? Paris. Okay. And what it is written in the down? Russia is the largest country in the world. It extends across the continent of Asia and Europe. So which is the largest country in the world? That is Russia. What I have make you done? In the copy, I have given you dash is the capital city of Canada. You know, Ottawa. Dash is the capital city of Brazil, Brasilia. Dash is the capital city of France. It is Paris. And dash is the capital city of Russia. That is Moscow. Dash is the capital city of China. That is Beijing. Dash is the capital city of Australia. That is Canberra. Dash is the capital city of India. That is New Delhi. Dash is the India's national flag. The Tiranga. Okay. Next question. Which country is the largest country in the world? Russia is the largest country in the world. Then I have given you what? I have given you jumble word. First one S O M Moscow. M-O-S-C-O-W. Okay. Next, B-A-R-R-E-C-N-A. This one, Canberra. What it is? Canberra. Okay, learn them. Then D-A-N-A-A-C. This is Canada. Canada. Okay. Then F-A-N-R-E-C. This is France. F-R-A-N-C-E. France. Then Z-I-L-A-R-B. What it is? Brazil. B-R-A-Z-I-L. Brazil. Then B-I-I-E-N-G-J. This is Beijing. B-E-I-J-I-N-G. Understand? I have given you these jumble words. Learn them. Okay. Next is our name any two of the following. What I have given, two state animal. Anyone you have learned. Okay. Ox or red panda or camel or deer, anything. Two. Okay. States of India, two states you have to write anything. Okay, like West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, whatever you know. Okay, next, currency name. Two currency name. What it is? You can write rupee, you can write US dollar. Okay, then currency symbols. Two currency symbol. You can write our symbols or US dollar symbols. Okay, next, country name. Two country name. You can write India, Canada. Okay, capital city name Paris, New Delhi. Okay, then moral story name. But before going to this, I am going to do moral story name. The ant and the dove, the crow and the pitcher, and two animal name lion and fox. Okay, lion and fox. Okay. Now next page we are going to revise. Okay. Next page number 26. Aesop fables. Okay, these are the short stories. What it is we are going to read. Aesop's fables are collection of short stories. They are the collection of short stories. The main character in these stories are animals. Story is totally all about animal. Okay, each story has a moral, but it give a message. All story give us message and all have moral. Okay, moral values. So first see this. This is the picture. You have to identify what is the name of that story. The crow and the pitcher. Okay, this is known as pitcher. The crow and the pitcher. And what is the moral? Little by little does the trick. Next, see the picture. What is the name of the story? Four oxen and the lion. What is the moral of the story? United we stand, divide we fall. Okay. Next, this is the picture. You see the story name, the wolf in a sheep's clothing. The wolf in a sheep's clothing. And this picture, it is the picture of the ant and the dove. And what is the moral of this story? Appearances are deceptive. And what is the moral of this story? One good turn deserves another. Okay. Then come to here. I told you to color this picture. Okay. Color this picture. And what is the story name? Fox and the crane. Same way. This picture you are showing, you have to give the story name. Story name, the hare and the tortoise. Okay. Moral of the story. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay. Understand this? Understand? Now what thing I have given you in this? What extra thing? First question. Write the name of two stories from Aesop fable. You can write anyone. The ant and the dove. Then the wolf in sheep's clothing. Okay. Whatever you know, the crow and the picture. Then complete the name. Complete the story names. Okay. What is the story name? The crow and the dash. You have to write crow and the picture. Achha, 4 oxen and the dash. 4 oxen and the lion. Okay. The wolf in dash. The wolf in sheep's clothing. The ant and dash. The ant and the dove. The hare and the dash. The hare and the tortoise. Okay. From this page I have taught you and given this much only. So which page today I have teach you? I have teach you country and their capital, and about that fun activity means you have to identify the cities by seeing the flag. Then here the pictures are there as of fables, and you have to identify the story and their morals. And here also same, you have to write the story name and their morals. I didn't copy whatever I have given. I have make you understand. Okay, understand whatever I have teach you. Good. So go through it, learn it. Okay, understand? My teaching over, student. Thank you.